healing of the nation is in the leaves of the tree. Come on, repeat after me. The healing of the nation is in the leaves of the tree. And this is what we're talking about. This is echinacea. This is a plant that will save you from colds, coughs, and flu for the winter. To my backyard pharmacy. It's a herbal corner that has so many herbs, which I think I have over 20 herbs in this garden. Yes, it's like a hidden sanctuary of over 20 vibrant and thriving medicinal herbs. This is a peaceful haven, you know, guys. It's a testament to the healing power of nature and its ability to heal, to nurture, to rejuvenate the body and the soul. Join me as I stroll through my pharmacy of plants, herbs from my country, Jamaica, and some that I have bought here. I will go through the benefits of most of these herbs. Some are hidden at the back. Some of it you may never heard of before, but yes, some that are planted and bearing fruits that will cure any illnesses that you have. And it is nice to come out here when the wind is blowing, the morning is fresh. Yes, this herbal pharmacy is something that will inspire you to start your own. Listen, winter is coming. Colds and flus will start to set in. Look at my Jamaica peppermint. Look, aloe vera. Yes, and you don't want to listen. Everyone should have a leaf of life in their garden. This is a turmeric growing. Hello everyone. If this is the first time that you're joining my channel, welcome. I am Donna, and I'll be talking to you about the herbs that I grow in my garden. However, please be reminded that I'm not a doctor, so please to consult your doctor, your physician for any further information. Ooh, Dr. Watson to the rescue, right here, right here. Don't scroll, please. Leave it where it is. Do not scroll. Sit down, take a chair, and come and sit down right in this surgery. Dr. Watson to the rescue. This is echinacea. This is a plant that will save you from colds, coughs, and flu for the winter. Ask me about this plant and I'll tell you more about it. Look how vibrant it is. It's one plant that bees love it, and obviously the bees carry and take the pollen and make sure that this grows nicely. But yes, echinacea, it's anti-inflammatory, guys. It's full of health benefits. It boosts immunity. Colds and flu, you know, say winter come and a whole heap of sneezing and coughing and all of that. Hello, it alleviates eczema. It lowers stress and anxiety. Any bacteria that you have, this is the plant that you want to have. Make sure when it dries, save the seeds. You can ask me how we make the tea. I'll do another video and talk about tea. But right now I have over 20 odd herbs in this pharmacy. This is Donna's pharmacy. Let me go around and talk about a lot of the plants that I have. But echinacea is one of the number one guys, me say it, number one plant that you need to have in your garden. And you don't have to plant them in the earth, you know. Remember, me live in England, so you're going to look for the best one when you're going to make your tea and you're going to cut it. Don't look for the dry out one. Look for a nice, you know, one that the leaves looks pretty like that. And you know, you have your jars. Save all those seeds. Let me cut one and show you what you need to do. Hold on. If I take this one and I'm going to hold on, right? Let me just rest that there. Right, everything will fall along in there. So you see this now, you're gonna open that and put that in a jar. So take you and leave it to dry. See if you can see what I'm doing here. Put that in a jar. Get a nice, clean, airtight jar. See, get your echinacea here. This is a nice jar that invest in some jars. If you have herbs and all those kind of things growing in your garden, invest in some nice, decent jars. So you're going to put your herbs in there and save it. So, right, save the seed. Let it dry, and you know what to do to make your tea. Echinacea, guys. Invest in the plants. Listen, you know what happened? The Bible tell you that the healing of the nation is in the leaves of the tree. Come on, repeat after me. The healing of the nation is in the leaves of the tree. And this is what we're talking about. So, you know, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, everything. Save your petals, put it in the jar, and you're ready to go. Let's talk more about a lot of the things that I have growing over here. And a lot of things that a lot of the herbs that you grow, either in pots or in the earth, when you preparing it, you might need to add some ginger or garlic along with it. And you can also pair the herbs. You don't have to boil one herb and drink and say that is it, you know. No, if you beat up little ginger, little garlic, whatever, whichever. You can even pick one cucumber. Hold on. You can even see me a pick cucumber. You can even pick a cucumber and blend it up and drink it with whatever herbs you're doing. I would like to say thanks very much for watching the video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.